Okay, so you get this annoying light from time to time. We all get it. It's the TPMS, or Tire Pressure Monitoring System. I'm going to show you how to get this light off in the Volkswagen Passat. It's very easy to do. In the meantime, here are a couple shots of my car, so I thought I'd share that with you. But yeah, before we get to how to do this, it only takes a minute. Let's go over a couple things. My voice doesn't normally sound like this, but I wanted to make it quick until we get to the content here. Yes, these are some of my videos. This is my content. It's all about the Volkswagen Passat. Some of it crosses over to other cars, but check this stuff out. Subscribe, smash that subscribe button if you would. Hit the bell, hit the thumbs up, and you'll be able to refer back to all of these videos to help you DIY things on your car. Do-it-yourself type stuff, and save you lots of time and lots of money. Okay, to get rid of this annoying light, all you do is make sure you put the key in the on position. You can also have it running if you like, but either one works. So once you do that, you reach over to the glove compartment, open it up. You see a button there that says set, and it has the same little picture of the light on your dash right there. Push that down and hold it for around 3 seconds. You will hear a ding or a ping or a chime, whatever it's called, and boom, it's off. It's that simple, people. But be sure that your tires are inflated to the proper PSI. Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing. Have a great day.